Hi, my name is Brenda, and I'm an accounting instructor here at CVTC. I wanted to take a moment and talk about amortization schedules. Some of you know what these are, but a few are unfamiliar with exactly how they work. And anytime you get a loan, mortgage, car loan, this is what's going on in the background. So all an amortization schedule does is it outlines your payment, and some of it's going to interest because the bank wants their money first. Whatever's left goes to principal. So you can generate one of these schedules yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do that. When you take out a new loan, whatever it is, search amortization schedule and you'll get many options. I like this one. This one is by bank rate, and you can put in your mortgage amount and a term, so 15 years, 30 years, that sort of thing, and an interest rate, and I'm going to hit calculate. When you do that, it will show you what your monthly payment is, and over the life of the whole loan, how much you're going to pay in interest. It also gives you that full amortization schedule that I was talking about. This is what I would print, and every time you make a payment, or maybe at least once a year, make sure that the bank posted your payments correctly and that you agree with it. And anytime your bank sells your loan to a different bank, then start watching this like a hawk. What I also like about this website is I can put in extra payments. So for example, maybe every year I'm going to make one extra payment of $2,000. And I can click Apply Extra Payments, and it updates the schedule down here. So here you can see there's a payment that is much bigger than my normal payment. And you can see how quickly that reduces the balance and how much faster your loan is paid off. So this is a great place to go to keep an eye on your bank and make sure they are applying your payments as they should. To learn more about the accounting program, head to our website at cvtc.edu. Thank you.